Taking it apart, this amp had multiple issues, including non-working tremolo and very loud noises from potentiometers and switches. We shall see. Beautiful design and craftsmanship inside. It's hard to believe that this amp was considered to be a budget amplifier. Removing the knobs and electroluminescent panel. The hardest part is to drill out a couple of rivets that hold the front assembly, and then you can get full access to the PCB and potentiometers. Those two black transistors are the oscillator circuit for the tremolo, and the shiny one is the switch at the input. They all should be checked, and all the capacitors should be checked too. Here you see bad corrosion inside the potentiometers. You can take them apart and clean them, because they were made from real metal and real plastic that can last a long time. It's kind of painful process, but it's worth it because the amp gets a new life.